Today, I transformed the new Land Rover Defender into a 3-door urban SUV. The most significant change was reducing the length and ground clearance of the base model. Here are the best designs. The first design received an entirely new front. It has much narrower and more aggressive headlights. The front of the car features an air intake and a very unique bumper. Black side skirts were added to the sides of the car. I think it's a very beautiful and sporty design. This design became much rounder and more modern. It does not have any unnecessary elements, and although it has an air intake, the bumper is quite simple. I completely simplified the headlights. The side received a modified version of the previous design's side skirt. I wanted to make this previous design sportier and more futuristic. I changed the characteristics of the car's nose. It got larger air intakes, and I further rethought the headlights. Not only the front but also the side pleased me very much, although I feel it's a bit over the top that the wheel protrudes so much, but it's a very beautiful design. I wanted a design that reflects elegance and luxury. In the design, I used both angular and rounded shapes simultaneously, which I think turned out to be very beneficial. I particularly like the bumper and wheel rim. This became a much more aggressive design. The front bumper got a lot of extra elements. I especially like this black design element at the front air intake. The recessed black hood and these running lights look great. My aim for the last design today was to emit power. The front is simple but still exudes raw power. There are no unnecessary elements on the front of the car, but it's perfect this way. I would especially highlight these thick and brutal tires. I think it's a beautiful car design. I'm signing off with this beautiful design. Please write in the comments which design you liked best and what kind of video you would like to see next. If you enjoyed it and want to see more fascinating content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Also, click on the notification bell so you never miss any of our mind-blowing creations. See you in the next episode of Auto Imagination.